Okay, this time unsay kantahon ni Mix?
Requested di siya ni Koy's Hope Tinambakan and Milky.
Uy.
Trouble is a friend.
Trouble is a friend ni mong kantahon karon.
Yes.
Okay? Sige. Ready na ba si Mix?
Ready na.
Since ready na ka, kabalo kong ready na po na sila tanan. Ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa Bitsi. Okay. Exciting good kayo ni. Palakpakan na to si Mix. Oh, let's go Mix Trinidad!
Trouble will find you no matter where you go. Oh, oh. No matter if you're fast, no matter if you're slow. Oh, oh. The eye of the storm or the cry in the mind. You're fine for a while, but you start to lose control. He's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gonna play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Trouble is a friend, but trouble is a foe. And no matter what I feed him, he always seems to grow. He sees what I see, and he knows what I know. So don't forget, as you is on down the road. He's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gotta play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Oh, oh, so don't be alarmed if he takes you by the arm. I won't let him win, but I'm a sucker for his charm. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Oh, how I hate the way he makes me feel, and how I try to make him leave. I try, oh, oh, I try, but he's there in the dark, he's there in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gonna play a part. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Oh, oh, so I don't be alarmed if he takes you by the arm. I won't let him win, but I'm a sucker for his charm. Trouble is a friend, yeah, trouble is a friend of mine. Oh, ooh, oh,
Romel! Pili atong ihatag nga score ni Mix Trinidad ug ngano?
Matik 10 kay kuan. Ganahan kay ko siyang vocal break ba? Kanang pag ala na siya. Tsada kay ang vocal break kanang pag switch niya siyang kuan. Falsetto man na sa laki pero nalimot kung sa bayi na. Soprano o nga na.
Pili atong ihatag nga score ni Mix Trinidad ug ngano bok?
Kani nga kanta karon tsada kay ni kay although dugay na kani nga kanta pero viral gani siya karon. Oh, viral gani siya karon. Mo nang perfect time ako yata kay gawas nga igagaw me. Gawas nga igagaw me. Klaro kayo iyahang mga iyang mga unsa to vocal break og mga iyang head tone. So yeah. Naigo ra pod niya mga notes nga lisod ba pod to kay ya siya gamay and yeah, mana siya.
Master, pili atong ihatag nga score ug ngano?
Atong ihatag nga score is solid 10.
Wow. Anong solid 10?
Ang song choice is very perfect for her voice, and ang range niyang voice is very, when she goes low is very kanang cool bitaw, kanang bugno kay siya paminawon, and when she goes up sa iyang falsetto it's very kanang how will I say it, is kanang it's very kanang hait siya pero kanang light bitaw ka siya, it's soft. So I'll give her a solid 10.
Yes, nakuha ni Ma'am perfect score nga 30. Doon na kay Bitzy Okay gift voucher. Congratulations, no?
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy Okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram o Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.